Step-by-step guide to carry out conciliation. Carrying out conciliation is now easy with Indian Dispute Resolution Center. Conciliators who are registered with IDRC can reach www.theidrc.com. Now log in by filling your registered email ID and password. This will take you to your personal dashboard. Now, you will find the conciliation cases at the left column. Please click on All Cases and you will find your assigned cases list. Now you will open the specific assigned case by clicking on it, which will take you to the case dashboard, where you can see all the details of claimant, respondent, case brief, files and proceedings sheet at convenience of a click corresponding to them. Now click on Assign Hearing Date at top right corner. A pop-up will open asking you to enter the mode of hearing from online and offline. Now enter the date of hearing and timing of hearing and click on the Assign Date button and then the Close button. In case of offline mode of hearing, you will be asked to select a venue from the list given below. Once you have scheduled the hearing, the e-conciliation software will send auto-generated e-summons to the opposite party. The respondent party or their counsel can enter appearance by registering themselves with IDRC portal for submitting their appearance or reply to the claim petition. Once you click on the Start Hearing button, you will see a text box available in the software where you can enter all the cases proceedings. Now, press on the Save Proceeding Sheet button. A copy of the same will be shared with the parties and advocates through auto-generated emails. Once the day's hearing is concluded, assign the next hearing date and timing and select the mode of hearing from online or offline. All the proceedings can be downloaded by the conciliator, clients and their counsel through clicking on the case page. Once the case is terminated, the soft copy of the entire file and proceedings sheets will be available for both parties. A duly signed conciliation award as per rules will be provided to them. Indian Dispute Resolution Center, helping good people resolve.